Hello, my people. Today we are going to learn conversation. Ready? Uyu munsi tugiye kureba ko wagirana n'umuntu ikiganiro. Muriteguye? Reka dutangire. Mbere yuko dutangira ufite ubutumwa bwo kudusangiza watubwira nta kibazo. Murakoze. Let's start. Hello? Hi, muraho. Hello, muraho. Can you sing? Yes, ushobora kuririmba. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. I love singing song. Yego, nshobora kuririmba. Nkunda kuririmba indirimbo. Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer? Ukina umupira w'amaguru? Yes, I play soccer. It's my favorite sport. Yego, nkina umupira w'amaguru, niyo siporo nemera. Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano? Uzi gucuranga piano? No, I can't play the piano, but I want to learn. Ntabwo nshobora gucuranga piano, ariko ndayiga. Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? Mfite umuvandimwe? Yes, I have a brother. He is older than me. Yego, mfite umuvandimwe, ni mukuru kuri njye. Yes, I have a brother. He is older than me. Can you read? Ushobora gusoma? Yes, I can read. Yego, nshobora gusoma. I read books every day. Nsoma ibitabo buri munsi. I read books every day. Do you like school? Ukunda ishuri? Do you like school? Yes, I like school. I learn new things. Yego, nkunda ishuri, niga ibintu bishya. Can you write your name? Can you write your name? Ushobora kwandika izina ryawe? Yes, I can write my name. It is easy. Yes, I can write my name. It is easy. Yego, nshobora kwandika izina ryanjye, riroroshye. Do you have best friend? Do you have best friend? Ufite inshuti yawe magara? Yes, I have a best friend. We play together. Yego, mfite best friend. Dukinira hamwe. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Ukunda shokora? Yes, I like chocolate. It is delicious. Yego, nkunda shokora, iraryoha. Can you play basketball? Can you play basketball? Uzi gukina basketball? Yes, I can play basketball. It is a great game. Yego, nzi gukina basketball, ni umukino mwiza. Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables? Ukunda imboga? Yes, I like vegetables. They are healthy. I like vegetables. They are healthy. Yego, nkunda imboga, ni intungamubiri. Can you make a bed? Uzi gusasa? Can you make a bed? Yes, I can make my bed. I do it every morning. Yego, nzi gusasa, mbikora buri gitondo. Yes, I can make my bed. I do it every morning. Do you like to play outside? Do you like to play outside? Ukunda gukinira hanze? Yes, I like to play outside. Yego, nkunda gukinira hanze. Yes, it is exhausting. It is exhausting. Yego, ni byiza, birashimisha. Can you tell the time? Can you tell the time? Ese wambwira igihe? Yes, I can tell the time. Yego, nshobora kukubwira igihe. It is 3 o'clock. Ni saa 9 zuzuye. It is 3 o'clock. Can you sew? Can you sew? Uzi kudoda? No, I can't sew. But I want to try. Ntabwo mbizi, ariko ndi kugerageza. Thank you for watching this video. Kora share, subscribe, comment. ubundi tuzasubire. I hope I will see you soon. God bless you. I love you so much. Thank you.